So the theme of this month is elegance is timeless. Just wait a second, guys. I think I'm gonna sneeze. You know that feeling when you think you're gonna sneeze but you don't actually sneeze? It's very irritating. Hey guys, welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi, and yes, I'm sounding weird today. I'm looking weird today. That's because I have fallen a little bit sick. If you guys are following me on Instagram, you know this. I was actually traveling. I was on a vacation a few days back. So this month's Glamigo box, as you can see, it has a very nice, a very festive theme. Just for all those of you who don't know about Glamigo subscription box, well, it's a beauty subscription box which you can get for rupees 299 plus free shipping. And this month the worth of the products is rupees 1500. So I'll put all the numbers down in the description box below because I don't want this video to become all about numbers. I want this to become more about all the fun stuff that's packed inside this box. So let's see what this box is all about and let's get started. So that's the box up close. As you can see, it looks really pretty. This is something which I would actually want to store in my wardrobe and keep my jewelry and stuff inside. You know, it's really pretty, really good to look at. And now opening the box, the first thing you'll find is a bunch of discount cards and vouchers and coupons. So I'll very quickly take you through them. So this is a 250 rupees off coupon from the Nature's Co. Then there is a 20% off coupon from Blossom Culture Aroma Magic. Blossom Culture Aroma Magic is again another brand which not only do I like, but it's so affordable. People can actually go ahead, buy these products and actually use this coupon and save some money. So I think that is like really good. And then of course there is this information card which I will not read out right now. But oh, by the way, the theme this month is elegance is timeless. I forgot to mention that initially. So there is this little contest they're having. If you win this contest, you will get prizes worth rupees 6500 from Manna Kadar lipsticks. And before that, if you want to pause this video and read what's written on this card, you can pause it right now and just check what's written. And now moving to the contents of the box, guys, I will start by talking about my favorite product in this month's box, and that is the Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Face Wash, which contains white tea and chamomile, and it is supposed to defend your skin from pollution. So I think that's really cool. And this was a good face wash. I've tried this out once before giving this review, so it is a good face wash to try out. And then I have with me the Bella Voste Lip Crayon. Bella Voste again is turning into one of the really popular brands, I think, because the subscription boxes are like so cool. Just look at this color, guys. I mean, first of all, the packaging in itself, it's such good packaging, very sleek, very elegant, something which you can actually carry around in your purse and show off when you use this in a lady's room. And I love the color that they have sent me. I'm not sure if you'll get the exact same color, you might get a different color. They kind of customize and change the box a little bit for everybody, and this one is worth rupees 499. And then we have cherry lip butter from the Nature's Co, and I think it's such a cool thing to actually have a lip balm in your box right from this point, because you know in the coming months your lips are going to get really dry, and this is a good time to actually start taking care of your lips. So that's the Nature's Co cherry lip butter, which is worth rupees 495. And then I have two products from a brand called IHT9, and this is a natural hair loss therapy shampoo and conditioner. Both of these are SLS and paraben free, so I think that is really cool. But I do want to mention one thing over here, guys. You may not get the exact same product. Last but definitely not the least is this product from the Nature's Co, and that is an orange bath salt. You know how much I love bath salts. Bath salts always make me so happy, and I keep talking about bath salts like all the time on my channel. So definitely something which I'm excited to try out. And let me check the price of this product. I'm sorry, by the way, the sticker is coming out. So yeah, this particular product is priced at rupees 153, and it's an orange bath salt. For all those of you who keep asking me about bath salts and keep thinking if you know you should buy a bath salt or not, this is a good box to buy because you'll get a bath salt and you can see if you enjoy bath salts or not. I think you will. Bath salts are really cool. Now honestly, guys, I think Glamigo box is a wonderful subscription to subscribe to because you know it's like affordable. It is one of the most affordable boxes in India. It is the leading subscription box in India, and the products are like all premium, good quality brands, you know, well-known brands and things like that. So yes, I'll show the link in the description box below. A lot of other offers and discounts and things like that will be talked about in the description box below. You can check them out, and if you have any queries, please feel free to get back to me on the comment section below. I'll try my best to get back to you all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, turn on the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back for more. Bye. I think this is a good frame. What do you think? I should probably put on this shrug, no? The theme of this तारा बहुत आवाज हो रहा है, थोड़ा स्लो कर दो. रूम का गेट बंद कर दो ना प्लीज. So guys, the theme of this month's box is sorry, not the theme, the